What is up, YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. I am out here delivering a 20-yard, and I just want to talk a little bit on these, a little surprise that I got for you. Give me 1 second. Let's go ahead and roll that intro, and let's talk about this new feature that I'm offering customers for an upgrade. All right. As you can see, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed in some of my previous videos recently, but I have added the Rolliskates to my truck. Now, I have been kind of I guess you can call it a skeptic of this setup because I've never damaged anyone's driveway with my dumpster. I have yet to damage anyone's driveway, although maybe it leaves a little chalk mark or something that easily can get wiped off. So one of these, if you have new equipment, new dumpsters or whatever with good wheels, I don't think it's, I don't think my new dumpsters would scratch anyone's driveway, but I did get one to test it out. JC over at Rolliskates was nice enough to give me a set at the show, at the DRS con, to kind of test out and possibly even do a little video on. So I've kind of been waiting to do one because, well, a couple reasons. I wanted to test it out myself as much as I could, and I also have been waiting for someone to pay for it. So I kind of played it around a little bit. I've got it as an upgrade on my website. So it's an upgrade to a ticket, and our first customer, yesterday booked us online. Didn't even bother calling. She just booked us online, which is great. I love that when it happens. And she added a pair of Rolliskates. So let's go show you how it's done. So basically the Rolliskates come with a rear roller, 2 rear rollers, and 2 front pads with each kit. So we've put down, so basically you drop the can down as much close to the ground. You put the skates underneath the wheels so that when it touches down, the wheels will land right in the middle there of the roller skate, and then you kind of slide it back, and you don't cause any damage to the driveway because it's all plastic, heavy duty. I think this one's the 3/4 inch plastic. I'm sure Rolliskates and JC can give you more details on it, but again, this is an upgrade. It's a $25 upgrade on my website, just a way to kind of make a little bit extra cash, increase your profit margins, and I wouldn't do it for everybody. I wouldn't do it for anybody unless you're going to pay for it. So let's talk a little bit about more of the setup. You can order, I guess, I'm not sure if you can order just the pads. This one's kind of dirty. Just kind of dirty. We've had a lot of rain lately. Or you can order the bracket. The bracket comes with no holes in it, so you've got to find holes to mount. We had 2 holes or 2 bolts that matched this on this side, so we ended up having to go to the auto parts store, I think Home Depot, and buy some longer bolts. We drilled some holes in this mount to match the holes on the frame. I didn't want to add any additional holes on the frame, and mounted it up just like that. Very simple. Took a couple, not long at all. Now they do recommend that we weld this. I have yet to weld the bottom plate to hold it, but so far it's held pretty well. It hasn't fallen off on the freeway, so that's a good sign. And then obviously you can stack them up with as many kits. I don't know how many kits this holds, but I think 2 kind of comes about here, so it probably holds about 8. I don't know, anywhere from 5 to 10, I guess it would hold. I'm not sure. But I am testing it out, guys, so I'm not getting it my full stamp of approval. But so far, it does what it's supposed to do. And if the customer, and if it just, let's talk a little bit about what it's supposed to do. It's just a perception thing to the customer that we're being more protective of the driveway. The dumpster does not touch the concrete. I don't ever think, as of yet, I've done hundreds of dumpster rentals with these hook lifts. I've done hundreds of dumpster rentals with the roll-offs. I've always had kind of newer equipment, newer wheels, so I've never had any. And And even if they're older, or even if they feel like they're starting to seize up, the wheels at least, you just grease them and they roll again. So I haven't had any damage to anyone's driveways. They are very, very driveway safe. But if the customer is willing to pay an extra fee for that added level of safety or added level of protection for their driveway, then I'm willing to accommodate it. I have no problem charging extra. Kind of everything's always should be an upgrade anyways. I mean, anything additional above and beyond should definitely be an upgrade. So I don't know how to get out of this neighborhood. Give me 1 second. I think it's this way. So it's a good, if you're going to use it as an upgrade to offer to your customers, I would say go for it. I don't know the cost of it very much. Last I did look into it, it wasn't too expensive. Contact Rolliskates directly. They're not sponsoring this video. I am not a paid vendor or user or anything like that. He just gave me a set and asked me to, give him my honest opinion and let you guys know, what I thought about it. So that's it. If you guys want to use it, I'll provide a link in the description below of Rolliskates' website, and you can find him on Facebook if you're on the Dumpster Rentals 101 page. Again, you could probably do the same thing with blocks of wood. Don't get me wrong, but it looks cool on your truck too. So that's also kind of neat. I like the way it looks on the truck, and I, stack them up some more, and you can be able to show the customers that you care more. You care about their driveways, and you care about their rental, that you want to make sure you protect their driveway. So that's basically it, guys. That's gonna be a quick one for today. I've got so much things going on and so many videos I want to add. It's just things are getting super hectic over here, but I've got some major updates for you guys, and yeah, keep the ball rolling, keep hustling. I'm going out of town this weekend and next week as well for my parents' 50th anniversary. We are going to be on a cruise, and they're going to be renewing their vows in Puerto Rico, which is going to be super cool. So I will be out for next week, so hopefully I'll be able to upload some more videos before then. But until next time, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. See you on the next one.